Everything we do really has to be time well spent. Who says that virtual events have to be less fun and less impactful than live events? What if we could make them amazing? So this is where I deliver my premier level of service, my virtual keynotes. I can't wait to show you what we've done to create a entertaining and value-laden virtual experience, and not a Zoom apocalypse like this.
So this is one of the best books I've come across when you're trying to communicate.
Come with me. My passion today is the same as it's always been, and that is to help leaders like you with my playbook of practical tools and mental models for the future of work. Such are the times that we live in that these tools have never been so important as we face the new norm. My old friend here has been crucial in reminding me every day that everything we do really has to be time well spent. In this space, I ask my coaching clients to think about what the future could be. That often begins with a challenge. Start close in with the step you don't want to take. I'll maybe talk to you again later. This is my creative space, and it is where I produce my live broadcast events. I've spent the best part of 20 years working with hundreds of organisations and people, providing them with tools and techniques and ways of thinking and co-creating their futures. Look, I know that live events can be absolutely amazing, but virtual events can really add something. The only thing that limits our virtual events is our imaginations. We've tried all sorts of technologies, and I believe we've come up with a mix that is just right for our clients. I'm not sure about this though. So this is where I deliver my premium service, my virtual keynotes. Oh, hello, fancy seeing you again. Pre-recorded events have proven to be really popular, especially when I can be there in the room, focusing on the comments and the feedback that's happening in the live stream as they watch my pre-recorded digitally and analog enhanced videos. I look forward to working with your organisation, and I promise your people will feel that that had been time well spent.